Here at the Reviewed Labs, we test our ranges in-house. Here are some of the scientific protocols that we follow. In order to assess the range's cooktop, we perform a variety of different tests. First, we use a timer to measure how long it takes a pot of water to reach 200 degrees Fahrenheit. We then conduct a test to determine the temperature range of each of the burners using a thermocouple thermometer to measure both the high and low ranges of each burner. Then, after assessing the performance of the stovetop, we turn our attention into the oven. First, we set the temperature of the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, measuring how long it takes to get there. We then place a thermocouple thermometer into the oven for an hour, measuring any temperature fluctuations that take place. Next, we do some baking to measure the even heat distribution in the oven. We make a batch of 12 pre-portioned Pillsbury sugar cookies, monitoring them after they're baked to see if there were any uneven color variations throughout the batch. We also toast white bread under the broiler to measure the heat distribution throughout each slice. Finally, we use thermal imaging equipment to monitor the heat insulation of the range. These images show whether the heat is staying insulated throughout the appliance or whether it's falling through the cracks. We also use the range just as you would at home to see if we run into any everyday hiccups. Although every range we test is unique, we always put them through the same standardized testing in order to adequately compare them against each other so that you can be confident you're buying the best ones on the market.